Hi, welcome to the Critical Manufacturing Experience area at the ASM booth at Productronica. I'm Rebecca, along with my two fellow MES experts, Pedro and Luis, and we're excited to unveil new SMT-specific MES functionality from Critical Manufacturing that covers both SMT and assembly production processes from incoming raw materials all the way through finished goods. So Pedro, what can you tell us about that?
Hi Rebecca. First of all, let me tell you that Critical Manufacturing MES for electronics assembly addresses this unique challenge of these manufacturers by providing a strategy to replace all the different sources of information by one and unique integrated factory solution.
That's impressive. We know that electronics manufacturers are under a lot of pressure from increasing customer demands to create top-performing electronics with highest amount of quality at a lower cost. We also know that electronics manufacturers tend to have a siloed manufacturing application landscape, which in order to increase margins, they need to modernize this in order to get a holistic, entire view of the manufacturing process. So Luis, what can visitors expect to see at the booth?
During the next days, we will show visitors how Critical Manufacturing MES seamlessly operates across multiple functional areas and roles. We will demonstrate how manufacturers can get complete visibility from incoming materials to finished goods. You will see how to easily connect to all equipment types, retain visibility and traceability over WIP, product details, quality, OEE, exceptions, specifications, just to name a few. We plan to demonstrate how process interlocking allows full traceability and quality control over the entire manufacturing process flow. We will lastly show our maintenance management and new product introduction functionalities.
This year's theme is open automation. Visitors at the ASM booth can see a fully functioning SMT line, also using our factory automation module, which powers the AGVs, bringing materials from one point to the other. The entire line is powered by Critical Manufacturing MES.
That's right, Rebecca. Our new factory automation model enables the interaction between AVs, automatic storage solutions, fleet management for a complete SMT line integration. So basically you can expect automation scenarios to be implemented, like for instance the automatic replenishment of materials, and this will enable less line stoppage and it will increase as well the equipment utilization. So join us at Critical Manufacturing Experience area at ASM booth. We are expecting your visit. Thank you.